Welcome back to Digitech Dynamo. In the last few projects, we explored Arduino with sensors and displays. Today, we'll make something really interesting, a distance measuring project using an ultrasonic sensor, an 8x8 LED matrix, and a buzzer. Working concept: the ultrasonic sensor measures the distance of an object in front of it. Based on this distance, the LED matrix shows a pyramid or step-like pattern, filling up as the object comes closer. At the same time, the buzzer beeps. The closer the object, the faster the beep, just like a parking sensor. Components. Components used: Arduino Uno Ultrasonic Sensor, HCSR04 8x8 LED Matrix with MAX7219 buzzer, jumper wires, and breadboard. Circuit connections: ultrasonic sensors trig pin, Arduino pin 9, ultrasonic sensors echo pin, Arduino pin, buzzer connected to Arduino pin 8 LED Matrix, DIN 12, CLK11, CS7, all components powered with Arduino's 5V and GND. First, we measure the distance using the ultrasonic sensor. Then we map that distance to the LED matrix, creating a step or pyramid pattern. If the object is far, the matrix shows fewer steps and the buzzer stays off. If the object comes close, the steps increase and the buzzer starts beeping faster. Now let's test it. As I bring my hand closer to the sensor, you can see the LED matrix filling up row by row, just like steps or a pyramid. And the buzzer starts beeping, slowly at first, then faster as my hand gets very close. So that's how we can make a distance indicator system using an ultrasonic sensor, an LED matrix, and a buzzer with Arduino. This project can be used in obstacle detection, parking systems, or even fun DIY experiments. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Digitech Dynamo for more amazing Arduino tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.